Most cybersecurity advice is really sales. The person telling you what to buy usually makes a commission on the tools or software. If you own a service business doing at least $1 million a year and you have paid for security for years with no reliable way to know if it is working, this channel is for you. I work differently. No tools to sell, no commissions. No reason to tell you anything but the truth about your cyber risk. I was part of the group that helped write the CISSP exam, the test most senior security professionals aspire to take and pass. I've taught cybersecurity at the university level and hold a CISSP, a PMP, and an MBA. I recently helped a client facing compliance deadlines and a budget that was going in the wrong direction. I did a gap analysis on every tool that they were running, and we cut the redundant, unused technology that they were paying for and tightening down what remained, and we only added tools that were absolutely necessary. They saved $250,000 a year and came out more secure. This is the kind of outcome you only get from someone who is not paid to sell you something. On this channel, I take the questions owners actually face: a customer demanding proof of your security, an insurance renewal that turned into an audit, a compliance deadline, whether your security spend is even aimed at the right things, and I answer them in plain business language, not IT jargon. The call on what matters in your business is yours to own. Subscribe. A new video every week, and you'll be one step closer to being a titan over your tech.